Your heart stops when you sneeze. Surprised reaction, plus a chew sound effect. Text pop-up, heart stops, quick heartbeat animation, sudden pause effect. ECG line showing normal beat, tiny pause, resume. Text overlay. It's a rhythm change, not a full stop. Visual body diagram with vagus nerve highlighted. Flowchart. Pressure, vagus nerve, heart slows. Lighthearted ending, sneeze and smile, heart keeps beating. Call out bubble. Ask me more weird body facts. So yes, your heartbeat does pause just a little when you sneeze, but it's totally normal and safe.